Now I just making chicken drumstick like that. Add 1 tablespoon of cornstarch and with the fire still off, add 300 ml of water. Now mix until this friend completely dissolves. You can turn on the fire when it's already at this consistency. Now just let it cool. In a container, add 700 grams of shredded chicken, 1/2 teaspoon of salt, pepperoni to taste, sweet paprika to taste. Now just use your hands and mix it well. I've added a green smell to taste here, 3 tablespoons of curd, and now just get back to moving. This is the sweet spot, looking like a dove. Let's take some of the stick and shape it. And now it's just modeling. Our chicken drumstick mold is now ready. Now just take the chicken drumstick and dip into the cornstarch mixture. Cornstarch serves to replace the egg and is much better for breeding. Now just pass the breadcrumbs. Once that's done, just press a little to model again. You can also use panko flour, but the type of flour you want to use is optional. Now fry in hot oil. And it's ready. Our chicken drumstick was very fried and very beautiful. It's a delight, super quick and easy to do. Do it at your house. I'm sure that everyone will love it. The chicken drumstick with the panko flour is more crunchy, and with the breadcrumbs it's like a dove. I prefer this texture with panko flour. This was another recipe here from the Poor in the Kitchen. That strong hug until the next time, and thanks for watching.